Hey guys, Stingy AJ here, and today I'm making my first Animal Jam PC video, and let's see, my first, my very first video, and I was like, what can I make it about? And then I remembered that I haven't introduced myself, and so yeah, my name, I'm not gonna announce my name until we get to maybe 100 subscribers, but yeah, I just got my own shirt, so I was like, someone quit and then they gave me a few items and traded up for an orange shirt. And yeah, so basically my content's gonna be AJ PC and maybe some AJPW and some dash tag and stuff like that. So basically most of the Wildworks games. And I also just wanted to say, like, I'm gonna be here for a while. I really do like making videos and I find it super cool and I want to get to 100, so yay. As you can tell, I'm a little bit new still, but since someone quit, they gave me a few items and then I got this orange shirt collar. And yeah, so that's what today's video is about, just me introducing what I'm gonna do. It's gonna be kind of like usual content, but also kind of different content than most viewers make. I might do some trading posts once I get more rare and stuff, but for my first video, this is good enough, and I don't need to make much more content. I'm thinking that maybe just a little bit of content will be good. Also, click like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!